Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Firstly, open your keyboard and click on Clipboard icon at the top. If it's not visible, select this icon at the top left corner. Look for Clipboard over here, and when you find it, click on it, or hold it and drag it up to add it to top bar. Now to activate it, tap on this switcher next to it. As you can see, Clipboard is now on. If you wish to use it, just copy or cut any text. Then click on Clipboard and paste it by clicking on it over here. If you wish to pin it or delete it, tap on this pen at the top right corner. Click on text that you wish to pin and tap on pin icon at the top. To delete it though, select your text again, but this time tap on delete icon next to the pin one. If you wish to disable Clipboard completely, tap on the same switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!